Okay. We'll do a little review of the vertical line test. I'm sure you all remember it, except if you're Richard. So let's just go over it. If you are not Richard, you could skip forward. Richard, pay attention. The vertical line test just goes like this. If you have a drawing of a function, it has to pass the vertical line test to be considered really a function. Now this, look, if I draw a vertical line, it only intersects at one point. So I could say this is a function, passes the vertical line test. Good. Got me? Now let's say I drew this graph. Oh, I draw this graph right here, and let's make it a little squiggly lined. All right. Whoa. And now I try to do my vertical line test. Notice that, boom, it intersects at more than one point, so this is not a function. That's the vertical line test, Richard. Hope you got it. Now, the other test that you might remember is to test if something is one-to-one. All right? A one-to-one test goes a little bit like this. All right? If I have this, right, I would do the vertical line test to see if it's a function. We already did this. It is a function. But then to see if it's one-to-one, you have to do the horizontal line test. So if you go across, it has to pass. And if I look at this one, boom, hits at 2 points, this would be not one-to-one, one. But it is a function. Yay, see? Function, yes. Okay, so that's how you do a one-to-one test. It's the horizontal line test, okay? So if it doesn't hit at 2 points, then you're good to go. Now, if you look at this problem right here, you're just trying to see, you want to sketch a graph of each of the following, determine if it's a function and if it's one-to-one. Well, the way to do this, and I want you guys to do it the same way, is just go to Desmos.com, okay? And just see what it looks like. Now, if you have a graphic calculator, that's what you'll be using on the Regents. But let's just check it out. So I'm going to go to Desmos.com. Follow me over here, kids. All right, Desmos.com. That all about. You can see that I'm a dork because I have all these math blogs up here. Oh, here we go. All right, so let's look at our function. It says f of x equals 3x squared. Okay? So if I did y equals, or the f of x equals 3x squared, well, let's take a look at this guy. So you can put this in the calculator or right here. Does this pass the vertical line test? Well, yeah, look, if you go down, it passes. It only hits at 1 point. So this is a function. So to go back here, yeah, I would say that this is a function. I agree. All right. So yes, that's a function. Yes, it's a function. It's a function. Okay? Oh, that's ugly. You get what I'm saying, okay? Yes, function. Now, let's check to see if it's a one-to-one function. So we go back. Let's go back to our guy right here. Is this one-to-one? Let's try the horizontal line test. Going across, boom, hit 1, boom, hit 2. Not a one-to-one function. So I could say, yes, it is a function, but no, it is not one-to-one. Not 1 to 1. All right. And what I'd like you guys to do, just to make sure you're doing this, is when you guys do these, make sure you just do a little graph to show me what it looks like. Draw your little horizontal lines, your 4 vertical lines, and that would let me know that you actually know what it looks like. So when you're trying to determine if something is one-to-one or if it's a function, put the graph in your calculator or in what's called Desmos.com, take a look, see if it passes its test, and you're good to go.